Hey, it's Jay here, and today we're talking about investing. Whether you're new to investing or just looking to brush up on your skills, these tips will help you get started. Start early and invest consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more you have for your money to grow, and the more consistently you invest, the more you'll benefit from the power of compound interest. So if you're starting out, don't wait and get started today. Diversify your portfolio. It's important to spread your investments across different assets classes to minimize the risk. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, you won't be left high and dry. Don't try to time the market. Trying to predict when the market will go up or down is a fool's game. Instead, focus on long term investing and let the market do its thing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's important to diversify your portfolio, but it's also important to diversify within each asset class. For example, instead of investing in just one company stock, consider buying shares in mutual funds or ETF that holds a variety of stocks. Don't get caught up in the hype. It can be tempting to jump on the latest hot stock or trend, but it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. Don't let hype cloud your judgment. It was not worth the risk. Investing can be seem intimidating at first, but with a little knowledge and a lot of patience, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Just remember these top 5 tips and you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more investing tips.